Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the e-classes now. I hope you are studying well at home, doing your regular studies, and I hope you are wise enough to use your time wisely. And let's continue our lesson in English. We are doing the lesson to two stories about flying, and we were talking about the young seagull. He could not fly away along with his brother and sisters because he was not that courageous. He was afraid and thought that his little wings will not support him. He will fall down in the sea far below. He was scared of the heights, and his brothers and sisters taunted him, teased him. Even his father and mother also threatened him to starve so that he will die of starvation. So his father and mother also threatened him. Nobody was paying any attention, only his mother was looking at him from far away from the rocks. Let's begin now. There are 6-7 points. Number 1, the mother tempted him with a fish. She had a fish. She was very often tearing the fish, intended to show the young seagull to come and eat the fish. This fish is meant for you. She is not eating. So mother tempted him with a fish to fly so that he could fly. But the young seagull did not dare to fly, did not have the courage to fly. Dare means have the courage to fly. So he was so coward. He was so afraid. Number 2, he cried from the ledge, far away from the ledge. He cried, begging her to bring him some food. He started crying, begging for food so that his mother will bring some food for him. After a minute, he gave a cry of joy. He uttered means gave a loud sound, a loud cry. He uttered a joyful scream. He started screaming. Why? What he had seen. He saw that his mother was flying towards him with the fish. That's why he gave a joyful scream. He was much excited. Now at last the food is coming. Mother is bringing food. He was very, very happy and excited. His mother had picked up the fish because she already had the fish. His mother had picked up the fish and was flying towards him with the fish in her beak. He saw and he gave a joyful scream. He leaned out of the ledge. There was a ledge. He forgot about the fear. He is thinking about the food, and he leaned out from the ledge. He leaned out. Lean means to bend. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet. He was tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her. He was trying to get nearer to his mother, who was bringing the fish. But when his mother was just opposite to him, mother came very near, just the opposite, within a few inches far. But when his mother was just opposite to him, she halted, she stopped. She started flapping her wings and in the air, and she stopped. She didn't came near. Opposite to him, she halted. Halted means stop. In the air. She stopped in the air, flapping the wings there. She didn't came forward. The fish in her beak, the fish in his mother's beak, her beak, was almost within his reach. Almost. A few inches apart. Far. Right? The young seagull was so surprised. Why mother is not coming? Why she stopped in the air? I'm so hungry. The young seagull was surprised and wondering, thinking. He began to think, why she did not come nearer? Why she stopped in the air? Why she is not coming and giving me the food? I'm dying of hunger. Then, maddened by the hunger, he was so mad with hunger, he was so much hungry, he dived at the fish, forgetting about the height of the ledge from the sea, forgetting about his fear of flying. He dived at the fish which was in his mother's beak. He dived at the fish. Now, for today, this much. We will continue our lesson in our next class. Will be tomorrow. Thank you for watching this and listening the videos. Make a regular habit of going through the videos every day, because you will be missing. Otherwise, if you miss, it will be difficult for you. You will not understand certain things. And go through the book as well at home. Reading, writing must be done regularly, so that you will not spoil your handwriting as well as not lose the practice. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class, and thank you for watching the video. That's all for today.